MOKSORI. I used to hear this a lot from Korean songs. But what does it mean? Today, we are going to study about the word MOKSORI. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 190. MOKSORI. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mok, second syllable is so, and third syllable is ri. Pronounce it with me. MOKSORI. MOKSORI. The word MOKSORI is the Korean noun for voice. Again, this is the Korean noun for voice. How do we write MOKSORI in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable mok in Hangul, we need to draw first a miyum character, followed by an o character, followed by a gyot character. For the second syllable so, we need to draw first a siyot character, followed by an o character. With the last syllable ri, we need to draw first a real character, followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word MOKSORI. Now here is just more details about the word MOKSORI itself. The first part of the word, which is mok, actually means neck. And the second part of the word, which is sori, is the Korean term for sound. When these two are combined, it would result to a word which means neck sound, which we usually know as voice. The sound that we produce from our neck is actually our voice. So, when you encounter this word on K-pop songs, you already know that it means voice. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the word MOKSORI is simply voice. And with that, you've just learned MOKSORI. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 180 to 189. But don't forget our word for today, word number 190, MOKSORI, which is the Korean noun for voice. Word number 189 is 봄, and this is the Korean noun for the spring season. Word number 188 is taepong, and this is the Korean noun for typhoon. Word number 187 is Yeoboseyo, which means came, or the past tense of come. Word number 186 is pigone. This is an adjective which means tired. Word number 185 is jogo, which means that. Word number 184 is igo, which means this. Word number 183 is yongo, and this pertains to the English language. Word number 182 is 한국어, which pertains to the Korean language. Word number 181 is 여러분, which means everyone. And the last word for our review is pizza. This is a loan word which means pizza. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.